Software development piqued my interest when I started using Friendster and started to learn about HTML in high school. I started to research about software application and mobile application and how they were made and monetized at that time. The sudden shift of the initial requirements to cater the online setup of the university. The challenge here is that we need to focus on the new requirements while also considering the initial scope of the project. So what we did to address this issue was to reprioritize each tasks to something that should be done urgently, something that can be negotiated, and something that can be pushed back. Of course, we always try to consult the clients to get their feedback. Each member of the team offers something unique to the table that makes up for the weakness of another team member. In that sense, we complement each other and that makes us a great team.
Ako yung lead software engineer sa team namin. So ako yung responsible for code reviews, making sure na nasusunod ng mga devs yung best practices na ginagawa for software development. Ako din yung responsible sa mga technical aspects ng requirements, make sure na yung requirements ay pasok sa deadline. Aside from that, ako din yung responsible sa managements ng mga servers namin.
As for my day-to-day basis, I implement features or maintain existing ones based on the client specification.
We are in charge of the client interactions, whether that be for interviews or requirements gathering. We're also in charge of testing. So we have to make sure that all the features deployed to production are suitable enough for client.
I usually do front-end tasks, UI, and then user experience. I also contribute some parts in the backend as well and do modifications with the application's reports.
Hindi kami nagkikita person dahil sa pandemic. Nag-usap-usap lang kami through video conferencing na i-make sure namin na yung bawat team members namin are aligned pa din sa kung ano yung objective namin kada sprint. Kailangan din namin maging creative kung paano namin isusupport yung bawat isa.
The need to be in 3 different offices in just a week. Fortunately, the team is a lot more flexible now, which led to a great productivity boost and a really great experience.
During the early parts of quarantine where we were still slowly adjusting to the whole new setup, and at the same time a lot of the deadlines were piling up on us since we had to put the system in production during the earlier parts of quarantine. So there was a mix of a lot of overtimes, catching up with the client, just trying to make sure everything comes together for production, and fortunately we managed to pull through.
The usual problem would be network connection and then power loss. These things are what we would depend on during meetings because without internet we cannot communicate. We don't just rely on the voice meetings. We also take note in our task management portal, which is the Jira.